This is an announcement. Due to budget cuts, this episode will be made in PowerPoint instead of paper cutouts. Enjoy.
Hi, Pretzel. What's up?
Well, I'm good, I guess.
What's wrong? You look sad.
It's just because I miss Earl so much that I wanted to get back there.
Don't worry, I'll bring you back to Erlo.
Thanks, Kool, Kenzie.
So, how it goes?
Well, it goes pretty good. I went back to the Bad Island. Guys, it's time for stick it. It's time for stick it. So, as I was saying, it's time for stick it cake. So, we got 38 votes. 7 more than last time, with 19 likes and dislikes. Well, let's show the... Wait! What is it? Don't you remember what today's it? No, today's my birthday! Oh, right. Well, I'm gonna show the votes with you. Okay, but anyways, let's see who gets the prize. Ding! So, with 10 likes, Infinity the logo gets the prize. Yay! What's my prize? Your prize is a win token. Now it's time to show the dislikes. The prizes are presents for Murilo. So, the Alliance was the first one safe. Dun dun dun. So now it's down to the leader, the friend to a baldy ruler, and the sarcastic. But the people think that he's sad. But anyways, let's show the votes. Just get out. Let's just show the votes. Bing. So, Infinity logo is the last one safe. Phew, I thought I'm gonna get eliminated. So, pink scissors and ring. Both of you are going to be leaving the team. Come with me. Okay, so the drawers are going to choose between one of you to be on their team. Okay, now start picking. So, pink scissors now on the drawers, which means the ring got eliminated. We'll try to not lose again. Okay, so the next challenge is to give a present for Murilo. Now, go! Meanwhile, here is ours. I know you really like it. It's a Nintendo Switch. Whoa, I really wanted those. 10 out of 10. Now, here is ours. You'll also really like this. It's $1,000,000. Whoa, I'm so rich right now. Let me see if it's real money or not. Dun, dun, dun. Wait a minute. This is a fake money. Facebook logo. Bingo card just cheated because he gave the fake money. Well, since Bingo Ball cheated, so that means the contestants will vote now, not the viewers. So, which making Team right up for elimination. Do not vote. This is a contestant vote.